Welcome today in front of me POCO M5S, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now just by double press the power key, I just have no any actions, and if you wanna, for example, to open the camera app by double press the power key, we should first open the settings app and then scroll down to the special to the additional settings. Then we'll see here gesture shortcuts and tap here then to launch camera. Now click once here on the switcher, and now by double press the power key. Okay, we should use our fingerprint unlock method. We can see that the camera application successfully activated. So let's try it one more time. We can see that works successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.